Good morning, guys. It is about 10 o'clock in the morning here, and I am just getting my day started. Honestly, I haven't even had a cup of coffee yet, so that is the first thing to do on my list today. The second thing, though, is going to be that I need to get our van cleaned on the inside. The struggle with having two kids is that you, at least we do, live out of our van a lot of the time. Sometimes we forget to bring things in, or it just gets messy because we have kids. I try to clean it about once a month, but I think it's been about 3 months since I've cleaned it recently. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to try to take you guys along with me as I clean our van on the inside, and hopefully I have time to clean it on the outside before it gets too hot outside. But I am not washing our van in 100-degree weather because that is just crazy. So yeah, come along, let's go. Okay, so when you first open up my car, you can see that there is anything from trash to empty bottles to mail, a random acorn. Everything's like pretty dirty. And then it's not too bad in here, but I do have like receipts and I want to clean this stuff out. I just want to like detail my car really well. And then when you come to the back seat, you can see it's just kind of an explosion of kids stuff. It's just a mess everywhere. So I'm gonna clean it out as best as I can. hot outside. But I think I got everything done. The only thing I have left to do are a couple of little things like putting the cup holders back in after I washed them really, really good, because those were actually really dirty and sticky and nasty. And then I also need to put my car seats back in, which I've got to do quickly because I have to go pick up my children. But other than that, I think, as you can tell from the pictures, I think I did a pretty decent job. One thing that I'm having a lot of trouble with as far as cleaning my car, detailing my car, is hair. We've taken our dogs on a lot of our trips, and they don't shed that much, but the hair is just everywhere in my van. But I don't know how to get it up, because every time I'm like sitting there scrubbing with the scrubber part of my vacuum, I just cannot get the hair up. So if you guys have any tips or tricks on how to do that, please leave them in the comments below. That would help me out a lot. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!